go, Mickey. No, Dad. Don't.
Dad.
Oh, I gotta get my slippers on for this firework.
I'm gonna do it outside. You give it to me.
Yeah, outside.
Okay, I'll do it.
We're doing a big firework outside, Tristan.
Don't do it right now.
All right, buttholes. I did not call you a butthole.
I know it's actually
Confetti.
illegal. Dad, don't do it on this part of the deck. Dad, don't do on this part of the deck. No! No! No, Dad, no. Do it near. Do it on that thing. I have to cover our ear. I'm doing fireworks. Wait. I need to give us
Let's turn the brightness down so it looks cooler. Oh, this is like...
Do it.
Come on, Bubba.
Dad, do it.
Come on, Bubs. Bubba, come here.
Wait, no.
Come on. Good boy.
Dude.
Dad, do it.
Well, you gotta let the Bubba go inside.
Dad, do it.
Dad, let Bubba go inside, okay?
Okay.
Boy, Bubba.
Well, letting him inside.
Come on, let's go. Come on, Bubba.
When you light
Bubba.
it,
Bubba. Bubba, come on. Bubba, come here. Come on, Bubba. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. Okay, let's shut the door. Good boy. All right, here we go. Ready?
Don't stand in front of the camera.
Here it goes. Did you already start recording?
Yeah.
Dude,
Wow.
Why are you always recording?
dude, run, Dad. Run, Dad, run. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no, not this one.
I know what's coming.
Yeah. It's popping. It's floating.
What's happening? Why is everything flaring everywhere?
Fire!
A villain died. Someone punched him and now all of his energy is spewing out of him.
Oh no, you know what's happening.
Yeah.
Gonna do a walk.
I know. Oh, no, that's
Here it goes. Gonna do it. That's perfect.
Wow, that was big, wasn't it?
Very big, but
Yeah, that was very
Guys, did you like that?
Give
Give me another one. Can you do another one, Dad?
Nope.
Oh,
We gotta wait till the 4th of July, guys.
please,
Just one more.
please.
Okay, one more little one, okay?
No. Little.
A cool one.
Well, then you want to have any cool ones on the 4th of July?
As cool as the McDonald's Grimace Shake. Hey, do you know the Grimace Shake? Guys, we're gonna do a firework called Raging Zombie. I just went number 3. Do you know what number 3 means? It means fart.
You're welcome.
And we never talk about number 5. I'm not talking about number 5.
Dad, run when it
Yeah.
lights.
called Bruno.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we don't talk about it.
Oh, we don't talk about Bruno.
Hey! Ah!
Get me away from this monstrosity.
You ready?
I'm gonna make Serious punch you. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Run.
Oh god, nothing happened. Oh my god. It's just in trouble. You know what's gonna happen.
Oh, it's much more quiet.
Time.
Dad, don't get closer! Dad,
What?
back up! Dad, I wish I could do another one, but can't.
Well, we got the 4th and 5th. It's only the 2nd of July. We're supposed to save all of them for the
Wait,
4th.
July?
What?
It's July?
Yeah, you've been playing tablet for so long you didn't even know it, did you?
Nope. I played for 100 years.
It is July 2nd right now. And in 2 days, it's July 4th.
I mean, that's say everybody can do 2 of them.
Yeah.
I wish I can do another one very bad.
I bet you
July
do.
4th is...
Are you playing with your penis?
Next time, next time, what I want to do, what do you want? Next time I want to Don't ask why I have this. My pajamas are wet. Guys, here's some bright. As bright as it can get. This is as dark as it can get. Looks like it's super dark, huh? This is at normal. 7 point. We're doing another firework? Oh well. He's even darker. Hey, this is how tall it is. What the? Oh, I know those fireworks.
Okay.
This one will be small. This one you think is going to be loud, Dad?
No. It's a big one, the biggest one we got.
It's the complete opposite.
I'm using this apple to keep any doctors away. So just know none of the doctors will come if you get hurt because I'm holding an apple.
Nothing happened. Not that big.
An apple a day keeps the
sorry,
doctor
guys.
away.
That's right. Yay.
Come on.
That was awesome.
I wish I can just light one.
You probably not, Kay. It's too dangerous right now. Okay. Maybe an itty bitty one. Okay, one more now. Just one more.
Okay.
We're gonna do the orange float. Last one, okay, guys, this is the last one. Okay?
I wish I could light it, but it's too dangerous.
Yeah, it is too dangerous. Did you know how to light a lighter?
No, but I do know how to light those, light other lighters. Or no. Whatever they have.
It's really hard to light these. You gonna do it? You gonna walk?
Is this red lava, guys?
Oh, wait, so uneven. We're not gonna have you left for close to the line.
Try not to get hurt because
Let me go see. Let me go see.
A little one, like I show you with little one.
Dad, no! Don't waste all of them.
For your hand? Yeah, and many people have, or why is my arm like this? Is just how I am. Okay, you literally see my hand right here. You can clearly see. That line's like this. I don't know how to edit my videos, guys. This is all 100% real.
Okay, Lane.
Maybe
Last
99.9.
one. I know, but this is the last one for tonight,
Okay, Mr.
Stop. This
And the 0.0.
This firework, Cade, can I tell you something? Don't stop that firework from going off. Because it going off is a canon event.
I went the wrong way.
We have idea.
Is that it?
Wait. I think I still see a flame.
I know, but what happened? That's it?
I don't know.
I think it's missing one thing.
Dad, it may just light up in a second. Yep, it's out.
I guess that's it. Well, that was boring.
That was our fifth
They
fire.
have one firework there, that's this big, and it lasts for 5 minutes. Guess how much it costs?
What?
$200 for one.
I want to get it. Dad, I want to get that firework.
No way, it's way too expensive.
Man, this one's a dummy. You know, well, I guess that's all today, guys. The last one was supposed to be really cool. That turned out as a Ewist even a word? No, it's not. I don't think. Ewist. Ah! Let's do bubble! I like Micey better, but I say I wish it had the fireworks going inside the sky a bunch of times.
I know.
Watch out!
Imagine your slipper went on that pole and it never came back
I
down.
know. Good boy, guys.
I threw my slipper off, but it didn't even go.
Like this?
Yeah.
My slipper was right there. this? Oh my gosh, that is very good.
Kate, I threw it and it just went like
That's very good because it like flew on the sky.
Stop.
Okay. I flew on the sky.
3, 2, 1.
Ah! Don't try to throw at me.
I'm not trying to.
Okay.
Oh no.
What?
Right over here. Kate, are you done recording yet?
No.
Dude!
Oh no. Hey guys, look at my flipper.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. My house is broken.
Kate, behind you. Get ready. Hold on.
Oh
Oh no. What's this?
Okay, this is what happened. Okay, this is what happened. Hold on here. This is what happened. That.
Oh no. My slipper went in a tree.
Oh.
Oh no. What's this? It's okay, Lane. I can get it, Lane.
I'm just looking where it was at. I'm just looking where it was at. Oh, I'm getting it. I should have smacked my penis.
Did you guys see that? That was my slipper.
I think I smoked.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Okay.
Hello.
Ooh, look at the donut making machine. You should buy a donut making machine. It makes donuts. It makes donuts like that.
It's gonna be 22 minutes, 5 seconds. Guys, I'm gonna go get something. BRB. Be right back. POV. Most people who hit 50 million subscribers. Bit later. I'm gonna come to the water. Sub count away. Sub count away. You should kill the sky button. Nobody knows how to kill the. Katie, know how to kill the sky button? guys, go ahead and kill that subscribe button by turning it gray or whatever it turns. Yeah, you have to put one on a firework and then just explode it. That's what you do. How to make it gray. Comment what happens if you are black. Just kidding. That is weird. Why did I just ask that? How you kill a barn? How you kill a lot immortal thing? Replay. So count away. Slow motion. Just kill the subscribe button and kill the like button. That's what you do. You kill the subscribe button, kill the like button. Nobody knows how to kill the like button and kill the subscribe button. Go ahead and turn all notifications on. Want everybody be on YouTube, when they be mean, just unsubscribe to them if you don't like it. Yeah, and I'll subscribe to everyone who comments here. Alright guys, 2 away, 2 away, 1 away. We hit it! Huh? 1, 2. We hit it! Oh my gosh, that was so loud. I think I missed. Hit the subscribe button.